So let's start all the fundamental rights which are mentioned in our constitution. As I promise you that we will take all the fundamental rights in a systematic way. So first of all we are going to discuss about the right to equality. इसको हम लोग कहते हैं समानता का अधिकार. If I talk about this right to equality, my dear children, right to equality means all the peoples of India are equal in the eyes of law. There is no discrimination on the basis of race, caste, creed and color. रंग, जाति, धर्म के आधार पर किसी भी व्यक्ति के साथ भेदभाव नहीं किया जा सकता है. All are equal in the terms of employment, in the terms to grab the opportunity, in the terms to get the employment and anywhere all peoples are equal. सभी नागरिक समान है. There are some provisions are given here under the right to equality. I would like to just take each and every point. Number one, a constitution declared that every citizen irrespective of caste, creed and color and gender equal before the law of the country. As I told you, either the male or female, the person are belong to rich caste or poor caste, person are belong to any religion, they will be treated equally under the law and there is no discrimination on the basis of race, caste, creed and color. रंग, जाति, धर्म के आधार पर किसी भी व्यक्ति के साथ कोई भेदभाव नहीं किया जाएगा. This is the first provision of Indian Constitution which is given in right to equality. The second is no person is above the law whether it is political leader or an ordinary citizen or police personnel. It is known as the rule of law. Right to equality means rule of law. No one is above the rules. Either the person are belong to politically dominance, either the person are belong to business tycoon and the person is belong to rich industrialist. Rules are rules. No one can go beyond the rules. This is the spirit of right to equality. कोई भी व्यक्ति कानून से ऊपर नहीं है. It doesn't mean that he is belong to upper caste, lower caste, big religion, smaller religion, majority, minority. No, that all have to just act according to the law. And this is the responsibility of the government, that the government officers just follow all the rules and regulation which is mentioned in their bylaws while tackling any person. So this is all are equal. Third is any citizen use public places like park, public hospital, bathing ghat, road, well and tanks. जाति धर्म का कोई स्थान नहीं है. We can use the bath, we can use the tank, we can use the hospital, we can use the ghat, roads and tanks and all these things. Every person have the right that because there is a equality. All are equal. सभी नागरिक समान हैं. अगर सभी नागरिक समान हैं तो जितने भी रिसोर्सेज हैं, कम्युनिटी बेस्ड रिसोर्सेज हैं, these community based resources by the use by the each and every person. There is no discrimination that कि बाथिंग में वो लोग नहीं जा सकते, घाट पर वो लोग नहीं जा सकते, हॉस्पिटल्स में उनको एडमिट नहीं किया जा सकता. No my dear, all are equals. There is no discrimination on the basis of race, caste, creed, color, skin color, religion, jati, dharm, male, female, gender. No any kind of discrimination under the right to equality. All citizens have equality to opportunity getting the appointment of any. If there is a vacancies in any department, every person have right to apply. Every person have right to grab the opportunity. No one can stop you. No one can stop you. आपको कोई stop नहीं कर सकता है. So the right to equality provide the equal opportunity to each and every citizen. हर citizen को equal opportunity देता है. Untouchability has been abolished so that the people belonging to the every caste gets socially equal treatment. Right to equality means that there are, what happens in India, especially so called जिनको माना जाता है दे आर बिलोंग टू आर लोअर कास्ट, दे शुड बी ट्रीटेड इक्वली. देर इज नो प्लेस ऑफ द अनटचेबिलिटी. अनटचेबिलिटी का कोई प्लेस नहीं है. राइट टू इक्वलिटी मीन्स दे ट्रीटेड इक्वली, and we are not supposed to just discriminate the people that they are belong to a lower caste. वो हम discriminate नहीं कर सकते. This is very very important. So this is all these things under the right to equality, which tells us that all the peoples are equal in the eyes of law. There is no discrimination on the basis of race, caste, creed, color, gender and all these things. All people will get the equal opportunities. All people will participate in choosing the government, and there is no space for untouchability. There is no space of racial discrimination. This is the very important and very good right that is known as right to equality. The question can be asked by the examiner regarding this. So be careful about this right to equality.